Hey travelers, ready to jet set across the globe in just 3 minutes? Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time adventurer, these tips will help you make the most of your journey. Fasten your seatbelts, because I'm about to share the ultimate travel tips that'll change the way you explore the world. From packing smart to finding the best deals, we've got you covered. First up, let's talk packing. It's the foundation of a smooth trip. Rule number 1, pack light. You don't need to bring your entire wardrobe. I know, easier said than done, but trust me, a carry-on is your best friend. It saves you time at the airport and keeps you mobile. Roll your clothes to save space, and don't forget packing cubes. They're lifesavers. They help you stay organized and make it easy to find what you need. Now let's dive into flights. Finding the right flight can make or break your trip. Always search for flights in incognito mode to get the best deals. This prevents airlines from tracking your searches and hiking up prices. Airlines track your searches and prices can skyrocket if they know you're looking. So keep your searches private. Also, consider booking flights on Tuesdays. Yep, you heard me right, it's often the cheapest day to fly. Next stop, accommodation. Where you stay can greatly influence your travel experience. Skip the hotel and try something new. Hotels can be expensive and impersonal. How about a local Airbnb or hostel? These options are often more affordable and offer a unique experience. You'll save money and get a more authentic experience. Plus, hosts can provide insider tips on the best local spots. Plus, you might make some new friends along the way. Hostels are great for meeting fellow travelers. Speaking of friends, let's talk about socializing. Meeting new people is one of the best parts of traveling. One of the best parts of traveling is meeting new people. It can enrich your experience and create lasting memories. Join local tours, attend events, or just strike up a conversation at a cafe. You never know who you'll meet or what you'll learn. Don't be shy. Most people are super friendly and eager to share their culture. Now, food. It's a huge part of the travel experience. Always try the local cuisine. It's a delicious way to immerse yourself in the culture. It's a huge part of the experience. Each region has its own unique flavors and dishes. Street food is often the best and cheapest way to taste the local flavors. It's fresh, authentic, and full of character. And hey, don't forget to ask locals for their favorite spots. They know best. Locals can guide you to hidden gems that aren't in the guidebooks. Let's switch gears and talk safety. Staying safe is crucial for a worry-free trip. Keep a digital and physical copy of your important documents. This includes your passport, Idaho, and travel insurance. Always be aware of your surroundings and trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. If a place doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. And finally, staying connected. Staying connected can make your trip smoother and safer. Get a local SIM card or an international plan for your phone. This ensures you have access to maps, translations, and can stay in touch with loved ones. It's a game changer for maps, translations, and staying in touch with your loved ones. Plus, it can help you navigate unfamiliar places. All right, world travelers, that's a wrap on my top travel tips. I hope these tips help you have an amazing adventure. Remember, the world is your oyster. Go out there and explore it. There's so much to see and experience. If you enjoyed this quick tour, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Happy travels, safe journeys, and unforgettable memories await you.